Hi guys, I'm Miss Rhodes, your librarian, and today we're going to go over how you can log into Springboard Online for your English classes to turn in work. So at the very top bar, you're going to go to Google, and at the bottom you can see that I'm using the web browser Chrome. It's a colorful one. Chrome is the best web browser to use that doesn't have as many glitches, but in the top bar, you're going to type www.washoschools.net, and it's going to take you to the Washoe County School District homepage. From there, you're going to go to the top bar, Digital Learning. So Digital Learning, and then you're going to scroll down. It's the third option for students. Once you go to Digital Learning for Students, on the right-hand side, you'll notice that we have several options here. We have Login to Clever, and we also have Login to 365. But I'm going to go into Clever first to show you your English Springboard book. So I'm going to click on Login to Clever. And normally it will have a Microsoft icon, and it will have you log in. For mine, it just logged me in because I'm already logged onto the school computer. But it will have a Microsoft login, and you will put your student ID at washoeschools.org, and you will put your regular password that you log in with. Then if you scroll down, you'll notice you have your Springboard book. If you click on your Springboard book, it will then open your book, and you can view your ebook. And from here, your teacher will explain to you how you can type in your ebook and turn assignments in on Teams, however they're going to do that. But that's how you get to the book online. Then the next thing I want to show you is if we go back to Washoe County School District's website, and we're still on that same tab for digital learning, you also can log into Office 365. Once I press login to Office 365, this will give you a whole bunch of options. You can access your email, your OneDrive, you can use Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, SharePoint. You can get to your Teams from here, Sway, and different forms. You can see that all of your documents will be saved within your files as well. So that is just another way. You can also install these apps if you would like to install them on your device, but you can also use them online as well.